fi'n ffindo celeb bach arall. Example. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Ooh,
Let's shake
a
your hand.
handshake, thank you.
A delicious handshake.
Yes. So, you've just played about half an hour ago?
About an hour ago, I think.
An hour?
Yeah, I sort of opened the weekend.
How was that?
It was amazing, yeah. I wasn't nervous about going on stage, I was nervous about how many people would there be, and we started off with about 300, and then by the end we had about 3,000.
Amazing.
It was truly unbelievable.
So when did you get to Bangor then?
Last night,
Yeah?
it was like a 5-6 hour drive, and they put us up in a lovely hotel that smells like an old people's home.
Oh, unfortunate. There are some really nice places in North Wales. Are you hoping on seeing any areas, or are you going back today? What's your plan?
We're here all night, and then I've got a gig in Cardiff tomorrow. I'm on like a mini Welsh excursion at the moment.
Amazing. Well, I'm South Walian, but have you learnt any North Walian Welsh?
Can you teach me some?
Yes, of course. You're doing the live lounge later. What if I teach you something to say on that?
Alright, go on.
Okay, what would you like to learn how to say?
Pleasure to be here in Bangor.
In North Walian,
Yeah.
Mae'n bleser
Mae'n bleser
bod yma.
bod yma.
Mae'n bleser bod yma.
Mae'n bleser bod yma.
Hey,
Is that alright?
I'm going to say something funny now. Mae hwn yn dangos esiampl. This one's making an example of the Welsh language.
You smashed it.
Thank you very much.
fine.
Good luck with the live lounge.
Cheers.
Example.
See you guys later.